Hey, what's going on, everyone? If you're new to the channel, you are now watching New Touch Auto. This video clip here, we're gonna cover another one of my Hummer Chronicles. But this one, we're gonna pretty much delete some of this chrome over here. It's too much going on. Out with the old, in with the new look. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna be covering some product that's vinyl wrap. It's 2080 3M vinyl wrap. We're gonna get into the products and then we're gonna delete some of this chrome because it gotta go. I want that custom look and we're gonna get it. Let's go. We're gonna place the vinyl on certain areas, not all of it. We're not gonna do that grill, but we're gonna do areas like this right here. We're gonna cover that. We're gonna cover that H2. Gonna do the door handles, and I may do that. I'm not sure. We'll get to it when we get there. That door handle there, gas cap. Then we're gonna cover this H2 in the back. So the areas that we're gonna cover, it pretty much doesn't take a lot of wrap. We're gonna go with the 3M wrap film, and now this is the series 2080. With this 2080, this is the black gloss series. 2080 just pretty much has a covering over it, and it's pretty much going to protect the film before you lay it down. Now once you smooth it down, if you need to stretch it, you need to remove this. Our tools we're going to use, we got our heat gunner, we got our tucking tools, and then we have our blade to cut the film. We don't need much. These tools here should work. If you have other tools, you can use those as well. Okay, so you've now reached the end of the video. Now it's time to decide. Tell me what you think. Think I should have kept it chrome, or you think this black look was a better option? For me, I think I'm gonna rock with the black look, because you gotta think about it. Most people are moving over from that chrome look. It's now fading away. So now they're more into that satin black, matte black. And right here, I got that gloss black. Now, if you think this video was helpful for you, you think it can help you lay down some vinyl, it's pretty easy. It's all up to you. Thank y'all for checking out this video. And oh yeah, if you have subscribed, thank you, man. I really appreciate that. And for those who haven't subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Thank y'all for checking out this video, and check out the rest of my Hummer Chronicles, because I got a lot of installs I've done in this vehicle thus far. Catch y'all on the next one.